case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Metropolitan Edison Company v. People Against Nuclear Energy, which centered around the requirements of the National Environmental Policy Act, NEPA. NEPA obligates the government to assess the environmental and human health impact of their actions, but does not require them to consider the emotional impact of risks on the population. The case was prompted by a 1979 nuclear accident at the 3 Mile Island TMI power plant. Following this accident, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC, decided to reopen the TMI-1 plant. However, a citizen group called People Against Nuclear Energy, PANE, sued the NRC, arguing that the agency failed to consider the psychological health effects of potential accidents on local communities. The Court of Appeals ruled in favor of PANE, but the Supreme Court ultimately overturned this decision. The Supreme Court determined that the NRC had adequately considered the environmental impact of reopening TMI-1, and that evaluating psychological harm caused by a change in the physical environment was beyond the scope of NEPA. As a result, the lower court's decision was overturned, and the case was sent back and instructed to dismiss PANE's petition for review. The NRC was not required to consider PANE's arguments, and NEPA did not mandate risk assessments in this instance. Furthermore, agencies are not obligated to investigate claims of psychological harm without explicit instruction from Congress.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.